Come back to my channel. I'll be showing how to make a wonderful hair rinse that will help to treat dandruff, itchy scalp, and also to promote hair growth. So stay tuned. So to make this hair rinse, I'll be making use of dried neem leaves. Feel free to use the fresh neem leaf. Neem is rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants. It is a good source of vitamin E. It will help to promote hair growth. It will help to improve the health of dry hair by hydrating them. So I'm going to crush the neem leaf. So I will add the neem leaf into a blender and crush. When I'm done crushing, I will set aside. I'll be making use of rosemary. 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Rosemary has essential oil which will help to increase the growth of new hair, and it will help to stimulate scalp circulation. So I'm going to combine everything, add it into the pot. I'll be adding 1 cup of water. Then I'll allow to boil for about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, I will remove from the heat and allow to cool. When it has cooled down, I'm going to strain to get the liquid. I'll be using chiffon cloths to sieve to avoid the smaller particles from the blended neem leaves. Hair rinse tea is so effective to promote hair growth because neem will help to reduce hair fall, promote the growth of new hair. It will help to treat dandruff and itchy scalp, and also moisturize the dry and itchy scalp. When I'm done straining, I will transfer the hair tea into a spray bottle for easy application. If you want to store this for a longer time, you can freeze it in a freezer and use whenever you want. This hair rinse will be used as a pre-shampoo rinse. Use on a clean washed hair. Spray or rinse your hair with this hair rinse tea. This herbal hair rinse will help to condition your hair and make your hair to look healthy. Help to treat any irritation on the scalp or itchy scalp. Also improve hair growth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.